Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to look at how to use Grigora Mail for professional client communication. Instead of relying on generic emails like Gmail or any other, using an email address that matches your own website domain can make a huge difference. It instantly makes your business look more established and credible to your clients. To get started, head over to your Grigora dashboard and click on the Emails tab. This will open up your email management page where you'll simply click on Create New Address. First, select your website domain from the drop-down menu and then type in your desired email prefix. Set a secure password for the account and hit Continue. Next, you'll see a list of DNS records. Add these to your domain manager settings to verify ownership. If that's already done, just click Skip for now. You'll also have the option to forward a copy of your incoming emails to another address, which is great if you want to keep everything centralized. Once you click Continue again, you can personalize your sender details. Enter the name you want your clients to see, and you can even choose to include your website link in your email signature. When you're ready, click Finish Setup, and just like that, your professional email is active. You can now click Open Inbox to see your new workspace. As you can see, when a client emails you, it lands directly in this branded inbox, keeping your communication organized and looking professional. But Grigora goes a step further to help you save time. Let's say you receive a long, complex email from a client. Instead of reading through everything manually, you can use the Summarize Thread option. This gives you a quick snapshot of the key points, participants, and necessary action items. Once you know what needs to be done, replying is just as fast. Scroll to the bottom of the email and click Generate AI Reply. The AI will instantly draft a context-aware response for you. You can review it, make any quick tweaks, change tones, and hit Send. And that's how you not only set up professional email in Grigora, but also use its AI tools to communicate faster and more effectively. See you in the next one!